Yo, what's up? This is my first YouTube video. I have been on quite a journey for the last, probably about 8 months or so. Earlier this year I decided that I was going to build myself a PC. There are several reasons why I wanted to do this. I wanted to get more into gaming, and I wanted to look into becoming a streamer, and I also wanted to use it for just general productivity within my life, you know, school, for my photography business that I've had for the last little bit, and I can proudly say that this is the best thing that I've ever done. So this video is going to be just start to finish documentation of my build process of getting the space ready, getting the components together, and doing the damn thing. So, without further ado, here's the video. my gosh! So pretty! So right here I am just getting Windows downloaded. I'm getting all the drivers downloaded that I needed, which there were quite a few. This process took a little bit. And here you'll notice me just staring at my computer for a good 10 seconds. Obviously, I am completely mesmerized by my own work. And yeah, here is the final setup with the monitors, with everything I've gotten so far. Obviously there is plenty of room to grow, but I definitely intend on making those changes. Turns out I didn't actually find the unfinished basement as cozy as I thought it would be. I really thought that I could look past that, but turns out no, it did not work. And I much prefer a room where there is lighting and coziness. So yeah, here is some footage of me using the computer in this much more cozy space. I mean, literally super cozy. The desk barely fit in this little space, but it does. So yeah, so here's some footage of me playing the game Shatterline, which if you haven't played it, it's so much fun. It's free to play on Steam. Go ahead and give it a download and let me know that you did so we can play together. That would be so much fun. So yeah, I just wanted to get some basic footage of me using the computer because it runs like a dream, let me tell you. So yeah, I'm very, very excited and very happy with this build. Well, if you have made it this far into my video, I want to say thank you so much. I know that it takes time out of your day to watch someone else build a computer, but if you find this video helpful in any way, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is going to be in itself a new journey, and I hope to have you guys along for the ride with me. If you haven't already too, I linked my Twitch channel below so that you can give me an early follow before I start streaming, and then you'll be notified when I go live for the very first time, and I hope to see you guys there. It should be very fun. I made this video because I want to show people that it is possible to do this. I'll actually link the tutorial that I used below because it was so helpful and I don't think I would have been able to do this without it. So I will link that below so that you guys can check it out too. But I really just want to instill in you that it is possible to do this and to not be intimidated by it, and just do it. Just do it! I hope you guys like this video, and please stay tuned for more in the future. Obviously my setup is nowhere near finished, but it is a journey in itself, and I will be posting videos and updates on here regularly. So hope to see you guys there.